If you're considering Ministry Scheduler Pro for your church management needs, there are 12 essential things you should know before making your decision. While it's a popular choice, it's important to see how it compares to other options available in the market to ensure it's the right fit for you. First off, Ministry Scheduler Pro excels at scheduling volunteers and staff for church events, making it a solid choice for churches with frequent services and activities. However, compared to its competitors like Planning Center or Breeze, the user interface can feel a bit clunky. It's not as modern or intuitive, which might be a turnoff for some users. Next thing to consider is its robust scheduling features. Ministry Scheduler Pro allows you to schedule a variety of roles: ushers, greeters, musicians, everything a church might need. This is something its competitors, like Church Community Builder, also offer. But Ministry Scheduler Pro takes it a step further with more customization options, though they can be overwhelming at first. The third thing you should know is that it offers automated reminders for volunteers, helping reduce no-shows. This can be a game changer, especially for large churches. However, compared to something like Planning Center, its reminder system isn't as customizable, so if you're looking for extreme flexibility, you might be better off elsewhere. Now, the fourth thing to know is its reporting capabilities. Ministry Scheduler Pro provides a variety of reports to track volunteer hours, participation, and service trends. But if you're really into analytics, you might find it less advanced than platforms like Breeze or Church Community Builder, which provide deeper insights. Another important factor is the mobile app. Ministry Scheduler Pro has a mobile app that allows volunteers to check schedules and swap shifts, but it's often criticized for being less polished than what's offered by competitors. If a smooth mobile experience is crucial, you may want to look at options like Planning Center, which has a more user-friendly app. The sixth thing is its integration with other church management software. While Ministry Scheduler Pro does have some integration capabilities, it's not as seamless as other platforms like Church Community Builder, which offers a wider range of integrations out of the box. Next up is the pricing structure. Ministry Scheduler Pro operates on a subscription-based model, which can get pricey as your church grows. For smaller churches, it might be affordable, but larger organizations could face higher costs compared to something like Breeze or Planning Center, which offer more scalable pricing. Another key feature is the ability to manage volunteers' availability. Ministry Scheduler Pro gives volunteers the option to mark dates when they are unavailable, which is crucial for building an accurate schedule. While other platforms offer similar features, Ministry Scheduler Pro has an edge with its detailed availability options, allowing for a more tailored scheduling process. The ninth thing to know is that it supports multiple services and locations. For churches with several campuses or services, this is a must-have feature. It's something that Ministry Scheduler Pro handles well, though platforms like Planning Center also cater to this need with a more streamlined approach. The 10th point is customer support. Ministry Scheduler Pro provides excellent customer service with a knowledge base and email support. However, if you prefer live chat or phone support, other platforms like Breeze or Church Community Builder may have the edge in terms of accessibility. Next, let's talk about customization. Ministry Scheduler Pro allows some degree of customization, especially in terms of scheduling rules. But when compared to other options like Planning Center, its customization features might feel a bit limited, particularly for more advanced users. The 12th and final point is security. Ministry Scheduler Pro follows industry standard security protocols to ensure your church data is protected. While it's on par with other platforms, if you're looking for added layers of security or specific compliance certifications, it might not offer as many options as some of the more enterprise-focused platforms. In conclusion, Ministry Scheduler Pro is a solid option for church management, especially if you prioritize detailed scheduling and volunteer management. However, if you're looking for a more modern, user-friendly experience with better integration and analytics, there may be better options out there. If you're interested in exploring a more comprehensive solution, check out our recommended software, which you can try for free to see if it better meets your church's needs.